Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get scrap in Astroneer. This is going to be useful for making trades using the trade platform. As you can see, you can trade scrap for a lot of materials. So to begin, first of all, to get scrap we'll need to have some kind of a shredder, and the first one can be found in the small printer tab and going in the first row towards the third to last position. Here you can see you'll need some iron to get it, so make sure you craft it. And later in game you'll also can craft bigger shredders so that you can make scrap from bigger debris. Now to get the scrap you'll need to collect some debris, which can be found all around the planet from some wrecks of spaceships and all kind of that stuff. And to pick it up you can just go ahead and click on it and press F, or then just shift and click on it. This is going to make a debris bundle in your inventory like this, and then you can put the debris bundle inside of the medium shredder. And as you can see, it should make us some scrap on this side. And if you place enough of these debris bundles, it is going to produce one full scrap. And as you can see, you can then just pick it up and use it however you want. So this is pretty much all how to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.